Kashmir is justly famous for its mountains and its mountain springs. And we know that the Mughals were very fond of building gardens. And when the two meet, then you get perfection as you do in Srinagar's Mughal gardens. Let me take you today to Chashme Shahi, a small two-terraced garden. This is set in a hollow in the Zabarwan hills and overlooks the Dal Lake. Its main charm is in the sacred spring that is said to have been discovered by the famous saint Rupa Bhavani. And it's the water from that spring that comes cascading down. We've just entered the first level. There is one more level above this. What you see here is the tank with the fountains flowing and the 18-foot long chute or chadar. This chute or chadar or ramp was very popular in Mughal gardens and was used to transfer water from one level to another. The famous Charbagh concept of rivers based on the paradisical theme of heaven. Now we have come to the second level, and from the second level I am giving you a peep into the first one. The second level has a small wood pavilion built in the Kashmiri style which houses the sacred spring. But before that, let us stand on the edge of the first level and look around at the mountains and the Zabarwan range. This garden was built by Ali Mardan Khan, and it is said that it was commissioned by Shah Jahan for his beloved son Dara Shikoh. Now, Prince Dara Shikoh also built a terrace garden just above Chashme Shahi called Pari Mahal. That again is a lovely spot to visit. As in the first level, there is a small chute which brings the water from the sacred spring down to the terrace. This is a small stone temple which houses the actual spring, and it falls into a stone basin. Many of us who go there like to wash our faces with the water from that. It is indeed very refreshing. And our Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru used to also get water from the Chashme Shahi for drinking. I'm sure it must have been rejuvenating. Once you come out, you can stroll the extensive gardens and see the gardens on either side, the lovely chinar trees and the flowers that are blooming and are maintained very beautifully by the horticultural department of ASI.